Hey everyone, it's a very quick video. So I just came from my college after work and I received this Unacademy parcel. So I'm just going to open it. I have no idea what is there inside this. Let's open this first. I'm quite excited because I have no idea what is there inside this. Generally my sister shoots these kind of videos, but she's in her college, so this video is not in perfection and I'm very sorry for that. Oh, so this is a Happy New Year 2022 gift by Unacademy. Looks lovely. So I'll just show you. So this is how it looks like. So we'll try to show this one by one. Let's crack 2022 calendar by Unacademy. Let's open this. Wow, this looks really cool. Jan, Feb, monthly calendar. That's great. So here is a Parker pen with an Unacademy logo, and there are ink cartridges too. There is also a pen holder. Is it a pen holder? I guess it is a pen holder only. Okay. I'm very sorry about this. Okay. It looks cool though. Pen holder hai kya? This. So I'm curious. Let's see what is in this. Oh. So it says, "Thank you, dear educator. Welcome to 2022. Happy New Year, Team Unacademy." And a little message. Then, small cute diary. It says, "A grand adventure is about to begin." And there are such little small messages in this. Then the next one is amazing super sticker book. So this has around 200 stickers. There are different stickers in this. You can use them in books or work desk. Next one is this. So there are many books and diaries this time. This diary is really nice. It says on one side, it says "You're wonderful," and here you can put in some lovely messages. So like this. Also there are some cute pictures. The month of Jan, it's written. It's something like this. For the month of Feb, message. So I really like this gift. Thank you so much Unacademy for this lovely gift. Thank you dear learners for watching my videos. I just wanted to catch a quick reaction. Hope you liked it. If yes, please do like the video. Be safe and happy.